Before you start, make sure to disconnect power to the AC unit to reduce the risk of serious electric shock. The first step in accessing the start capacitor on a Furrion Chill Low Profile rooftop air conditioner unit is to remove the 9 screws around the perimeter of the shroud. This will allow access to the internal components. On the left side of the unit, you will see a small rectangular electrical box with a wiring diagram on it. Remove the 2 Phillips head screws, securing the cover to access the capacitor which is inside the box. Cut any zip ties holding any wires together. To discharge any remaining energy in the capacitor, use the metal blade of an insulated screwdriver to create a short between the ground terminal and each of the other 3 terminals on the capacitor. Using a long Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 Phillips head screws that secure the capacitor hold-down strap. A magnetized screwdriver is recommended to make this step easier. Once the screws are removed, the capacitor can be lifted out. Take a photo of the wire orientation and connections for proper reassembly. Carefully remove the wires from the top of the capacitor using insulated pliers by pulling straight up on the spade connectors. Connect the wires to the new capacitor in the proper orientation that you removed the wires. If needed, use the photo as a reference. After connecting the wires to the new capacitor in the same orientation they were, carefully place that capacitor back into the box and secure it with the hold-down strap and the 2 screws previously removed. Again, avoid touching the terminals on top of the capacitor. Secure the wires with a zip tie. Once the capacitor is secured in the box, replace the cover onto the electrical box and fasten it with 2 Phillips head screws previously removed. To complete the reassembly, reinstall the shroud on top of the AC unit using the 9 screws removed earlier. Ensure that all the screws are properly seated by gently lifting up on the shroud. There should be no movement if everything is installed correctly.